You're our night sky guy. We're going to talk astronomy and all things space. So talk to us about the difficulties that were surrounding the Kepler spacecraft.
Right. Well, just to recap, the Kepler spacecraft is really the premier planet hunter that we have in orbit around Earth. NASA put it up about in 2009, and it's been just amazing in the amount of planets. In fact, it's found 2,700 planetary candidates so far, and we've confirmed over 100 of those as bona fide worlds out beyond our solar system. So it's a fantastic instrument. But scientists basically had their hearts stopping this past few weeks because one of the gyroscopes, there's a set of 4 gyroscopes on Kepler that allow the telescope to point very accurately, and that's very important so that it can single out stars and watch for those planets that are circling those stars. And you need to have at least 3 of these gyroscopes to be working on the spacecraft at any one time. And we had one that basically conked out last summer, leaving 3 functioning, the minimum required, and one of those stopped working for some reason a couple of weeks ago. And this was really something that was mission critical. And fortunately, on Tuesday this week, they managed to restart that 3rd gyroscope, and it's functioning. It's back on track now to work. So for a while there was a little bit of a problem, but I think they've solved it. They think they understand it, and it's kind of amazing because scientists with all these different spacecrafts that we have up all over the solar system, they're learning that how to actually get the most out of these spacecrafts by tinkering a little bit with the software, using the spacecraft, maneuvering it in different places. Even the rovers on Mars, the ones that have been there for 10 years now, Opportunity, they figured out how to make these instruments that are sort of geriatric, old, suffering from old age, how to get the most out of them, and it's really amazing technology. So thankfully, Kepler's back on track, and we'll probably get more planets out of it in the coming weeks and months.
Can you fill us in about 20 seconds about the drill on Mars that Curiosity is doing?
That's right. This is great news. The last instrument that they needed to check out on Curiosity rover was the drill. And this weekend, the plans are that they're going to actually put the drill, which is at the end of its 7-foot robotic arm, up against the rock. And in fact, the Canadian instrument, the APXS that Canada has provided, which sits at the end of the rover's arm, was used so it's a chemical sniffer basically, and it was used to look at and analyze the minerals of the rock before it was going to drill. So there's some pictures coming out showing the Canadian instrument up against the rock, and we should be drilling actually this weekend or in the next few days, and we'll get results from the first drill on Mars that we've ever done.
All right, Andrew Fasakis, also known as the Night Sky Guy, thanks so much.